Hey guys, today our notes are on Chapter 1, Lesson 7, the coordinate plane. Our objective is 6.11. I can explain how to graph points in all four quadrants using ordered pairs of rational numbers. And remember, rational numbers are any number that can be written as a fraction, which means they can also be written as decimals. So what is a coordinate plane? Well, a coordinate plane is formed when the x-axis and y-axis intersect at their 0 points, meaning they cross at 0. And we call those 0 points our origin. So remember, on a number line, we always start at 0. Well, on a coordinate grid, we're always going to start at 0, which is the origin. Okay, and this is an ordered pair. The first number in your ordered pair is always going to be your x, which we use on the x-axis. And the second number in your ordered pair is always the y. Okay? And the axes separate the coordinate plane into four regions that we call quadrants. Okay, so you guys are going to go ahead and label. You need to draw yourself a little coordinate grid. And we have four quadrants. And whenever we're labeling and talking about these quadrants, we use our Roman numerals. So it does need to look like this. You have quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Okay? This is our origin. Your x-axis is the horizontal line, and your y-axis is the vertical line. And depending on which quadrant you're in, that's going to tell you whether or not your ordered pairs are positive or negative. So in quadrant 1, your x and your y are always going to be positive. Okay, so I'm putting plus signs to show positive. Okay, remember your first number is your x, the second number is your y. Okay, in quadrant 2, your x is always going to be negative, and your y is always going to be positive. Okay, this is your x, and this is your y. In quadrant 3, they're both going to be negative. Your x and your y are negative. And in quadrant 4, your x is going to be positive, your y is going to be negative. Oops. I said y and I wrote y. So this is supposed to be negative sign. This is why you guys use pencils. Okay, negative, so positive and negative. This is my x and this is my y. Okay? So this is just very basic notes to get us started. Tomorrow we're going to practice graphing and identifying ordered pairs. Okay? So make sure that you bring this to class. This is all you need for now. And then tomorrow, to start us off, we're going to practice with a human coordinate grid and then do an activity in class. Okay, so nice short notes for tonight. Y'all have a great day. I'll see you in class tomorrow.